Fact: 70% of fire-related deaths are caused by lack of oxygen and toxic gases, by smoke inhalation, not burns resulting from the flames. Fact: 83% of all civilian fire deaths occur in residential homes. Fact: most fatal fires occur between 12 midnight and 6 a.m. when you are asleep and least prepared, and most fires happen in the winter. Fact: smoke is a poisonous mixture which contains deadly toxins like hydrogen cyanide. These toxins are produced in a fire from natural substances such as wool, silk, cotton or paper, and synthetic substances such as plastics and other polymers widely used in insulation, carpets, and other building materials and home furnishings. Fact: people caught in fires can quickly become confused and disoriented by smoke and panic, and that will hamper their escape. Fact: smoke contains particulate matter and heated gases such as hydrochloric acid, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. A few breaths will knock anybody out. More than a few minutes in it, and it can mean certain death. Fact: incapacitating conditions due to smoke inhalation are induced within 2 minutes, possibly causing death within 10 minutes. Fact: according to the U.S. Fire Administration, the United States has one of the highest fire death rates in the industrialized world. Fact: children under the age of 10 account for 80% of all fire deaths. Fact: fire-related death is more than double for seniors over age 65, triple for those over age 75, and 3.5 times greater for those over age 85 compared to the risk for the general population. Fact: the mortality rate following smoke inhalation ranges from 45% to 78%. The difference between life and death of a smoke inhalation victim is dependent upon the concentration of exposure and the time between exposure and treatment. But now, with the smoke stopper installed on your interior doors, you can keep that smoke away from your loved ones and give them the extra time needed to escape. The smoke stopper not only inhibits the smoke from entering the room, but also alerts responding firefighters with the highly reflective 3M tape on the front of the smoke stopper. The smoke stopper was designed with exactly that in mind by a former fire chief with over 20 years of experience in firefighting and emergency services. The smoke stopper fits most standard size interior doors. After sliding the smoke stopper under the door, adjust the height according to the floor surface. Then the height can be adjusted by placing the screws in the desired location using the screw hole guides. The smoke stopper is designed to inhibit the smoke. If smoke is able to get past the first layer of protection, it will have to travel through 3 smoke chambers before it can penetrate the room. Thermal balance is the technical term used when smoke and superheated gases rise, leaving a few inches of clear air between the floor and the bottom of the smoke line. This phenomenon occurs when there is no interference in the air or there is no smoke movement. But when there is an introduction of movement in the air, such as an object falling or people moving, it causes a thermal imbalance, which will move the smoke and superheated gases to the floor. The smoke stopper inhibits this smoke from entering a room from under the door. Conversely, the oxygen escaping from a smoke-free room under the door into a fire will fuel a fire. The smoke stopper inhibits that oxygen from escaping the room. The smoke stopper, increasing your escape time, is our #1 priority.